to my morning report analysis videos on Wednesday 29th of November with me, Richard Bear, market analyst at Hantec Markets. Looking at Eurodollar now, which has had this corrective move as the dollar has sort of gained a bit of ground in the last couple of days, but it's sort of stabilised this morning. Now this is interesting because it sort of comes back into a bit of a buying area, doesn't it really? Mentioned yesterday that I think between 1835, 1880 was a fairly decent sort of area to sort of retreat into. Now we saw 1825, so a little bit below that, but it has regained a bit of support around that level, and you're still within this uptrend channel that comes in as a support at 18 figure today. So travelling within that uptrend channel, I think you're still fairly positive, and certainly if the market can sort of pull back above 1880 in the move, which is that old resistance of the October high. If it can move back above that, I think the market looks pretty positive once more. Yesterday's reaction high at 1920 is initial resistance, I suppose, now above that 1880 level, and 1960 was the reaction high from Monday. But certainly it looks like the bulls are beginning to regain a bit of control, beginning to use this this little corrective move as a chance to buy that hourly RSI back to 30, rallying back above again, above the 50 level. You're still in that uptrend. As I said, well, on the daily chart it's around 18 figure. On the hourly chart it's sort of there or thereabouts, around 1810 now. So yeah, looking fairly positive still on the euro dollar. Now, tax reform being voted through would be a positive for the dollar, conceivably, and that would be the one main caveat to this chart. But certainly the reaction of the euro dollar today would suggest that perhaps that the market is still fairly sort of reticent about tax reform. Say that is the that is the one sort of main variable I think on this chart at the moment, because generally I think having broken above 1880, you'd say that the euro is sort of in a more positive vein of form, and within that uptrend channel that we've still got building, you'd sort of say that that is really the outlook. But yeah, it's some interesting moves that we are seeing on euro dollar at the moment. So I wish you good luck in trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.